Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you running out of fresh people to talk to for your business? You're not getting the eyeballs on your offers, your product, service, or business opportunity? Well, pay close attention, because in this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy of how to create curiosity posts on Facebook that are going to attract more people to you. And what you're going to do is you're going to leverage your lead capture page or your sales page to find the content. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you a lead capture page that I've been creating, and to give you the idea of how to come up with content ideas. Now, a lot of times the big struggle that people have when they're creating content is they don't know what to be talking about to get people to take the next step to either get a free training from them, or you want to direct them to a sales page or your product page or your business opportunity page. So what we need to do is we need to set up curiosity posts that are going to make them want to take the next step. So where we're going to get the content for these, the ideas for this content, is we're going to be leveraging your lead capture page. So on your screen, I'm going to be targeting, in this example, home business owners. So what you can do is I'm going to go through, and you can look through and come up with ideas of content. So for example, I can have one here. Are you wasting a lot of time on your home business with little to no results? Well, today I'm going to share with you 2 of my best tips that will help you save time with your business. And then you want to give a call to action to get them to opt in to my free report that I'm going to be giving them. Or you can have another question here. Are you frustrated because you're missing out on so many sales because you don't have any way to get fresh prospects daily? Well, in this video or in this post, I'm going to share with you 3 of my best tips. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm using these bullet points, these pain points right here. Okay, because most lead capture pages, whether you're doing network marketing or affiliate marketing, they're going to have some big pain points on the lead capture page that are going to get people to want to opt in and get the training. So you can preface your Facebook posts by centering content around these big problems. Now, what I would also suggest you do is that if you do have something to give away, like a free report or a free training, go through that free training or that report and find some tips and talk about 1 or 2 of them, and you can put it into a Facebook post. Now, here's another example where I put down here what they're going to be learning in this report I'm giving them. So we have here by page 6, discover how to never run out of fresh prospects for your business. So I can say something along the lines of, are you struggling trying to get new people and meeting new people every day? Well, on this video, I'm going to share with you 2 of my best tips that you will never run out of fresh prospects for your business. Okay, and then here's another big one here. Are you struggling and getting frustrated because you're hearing the word no too often in your business? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 1 question you can ask that can help you make money off of the 90% who say no. See how we're doing that, creating the different types of content? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to share with you an example of a very effective Facebook post by 6-figure earner Erin Birch. Now, Erin Birch is a single mom, and she was able to build a 6-figure business in 6 months with 0 ad spend on Facebook, and she did it by just leveraging this real simple, effective method of going on a lead capture page or a sales page, finding the big problem and pain points, and then creating content that addresses those pain points with a call to action to go and check out either the free guide, a free report, a free video, or taking them right to the sales page. So this is how you would set it up, and this is such a great example. So here's what she says. Do you ever feel like you just don't know what to say to people to be able to share your biz op with them? Did someone tell you that you just have to offer it everyone and plenty of people would want to join your team? Well, if you're not finding it so easy, you're not alone. Truth is, it's a learned skill, speaking to people in a way that makes them say yes. How would it feel to get a lot more yeses? I've created a PDF to help you start hearing a lot more yeses, and it will help you grow your team faster. If you would like it, say heck yeah, and I'll send it your way. Okay? So what Erin did is she went on, had a lead capture page, talked about her main points, and then she put a call to action to get people to want to get her guide. Now, if you notice on her post, there is no link on the call to action here. Okay, she's getting people to respond to her posts. Okay, and the reason for that is Facebook doesn't like having links that go outside of Facebook into your post. Otherwise, they're going to not give it as much weight, and it's not going to show up in the news feeds. But what she's doing is she's being, in the spirit of Facebook, she wants people to interact with her post. So when people say, heck yeah, all right, she's got like 20 comments. And then what she does then is she's going to reach out to them via Facebook message and just say, hey, you still want the guide? Here is the link to go and opt in. So what she's doing here is every time people respond and comment on this post, Facebook is going to see, oh, this has got engagement, and they're going to put this post up higher in the news feeds, and it's often going to appear up on the very top, which is going to give you more exposure. And what this is doing here too, and the way this is so effective, is she's not angering friends and family. She's not turning her, she is not turning her Facebook profile into a online advertising board. Okay, she is keeping it where it is in the spirit of Facebook. So this is a very simple way, a very effective way to get targeted traffic to your offers. The other beauty in this is that you're creating conversations. We want to create conversations before the conversions, okay? Because you got to keep this simple formula in mind. You need to build an audience and engage your audience before you sell to your audience. So what I would also suggest doing here as well is when people are commenting, what you can do is hit reply, and you tag them in a post and tell them, I sent you a Facebook message. Check your Facebook message. Because what you want is you want more engagement as well. You want to be engaging with this post. Now, Erin gave a really great strategy here as well. I don't see it on this particular post, but she's had a couple of posts where she taught this technique where she had, you know, her one post would get like hundreds of comments. She taught this to a client of hers, and he wound up getting over 400 comments. And when it really, your post really blows up like that, what you want to do then is you can say, hey, I can't get back to all of you. Here is the link to go check it out. Here's the link to the checklist. Here's the link to the page, you know, and you put it in the comments section. You do not put it in the actual post itself. You can keep it in the comments section. So there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful today. If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you're not on my newsletter, I want you to go over to workwithdrlisathompson.com and give me your best email address. And what I will do is I will send you more updates sharing my best tips and strategies of how to grow a full-time income while only working part-time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.